पीओजेके की तरफ से एक हमने साक्षरता कैंपेन चलाया हुआ है, क्योंकि हमारे जो बुजुर्ग थे उन्होंने बहुत कष्ट सहन किया था और एक जनरल ओपिनियन सबसे बना रहे हैं कि प्रधानमंत्री को रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं कि जो हम लोगों ने वहाँ पे परेशानी देखी इसी तरीके से हमारा जो दूसरा दूर करो, पर्टिकुलरली जो पीओजेके है उसको वापस लिया जाए। अभी देखो इस बजट में भी काफ़ी अमाउंट रखा गया है हमारे जम्मू एंड कश्मीर। अब प्रधानमंत्री से सभी लोगों की तरफ से यही रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं, आग्रह करते हैं कि पीओजेके को वापस लो, तो पाकिस्तान तो कुछ कर नहीं रहा है। हमारा कश्मीर देखो, हमारा जम्मू कश्मीर देखो, कितना तरक्की कर रहा है। पीओजेके को हम यहाँ वापस यहाँ साथ रहेंगे, हमें एक चांस मिलेगा वो देखने का, और उन लोगों को भी एक नई जान मिलेगी, नई प्रोग्रेस मिलेगी।
See, this group of the POJK refugees has launched a signature drive urging the Prime Minister Narendra Modi to reclaim the Pakistani-occupied Jammu and Kashmir. This is the POJK Vistapit Seva Samiti, and they have launched this signature drive to make the people aware and also to include people in their signature campaign that will be carry forward in days to come. It has been launched a couple of days ago, what we are getting to know, and in this signature campaign, they are trying to urge that getting the India back to the greater India, that is having the Pakistan occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Gilgit, Baltistan, and even the part of the India that has been illegally occupied by the China. So they are saying that they want that greater India to be united once again, and for the same they have launched this campaign. Speaking on the occasion, R.K. Chibbar, who is one of the representative of this POJK Vistapit Seva Samiti, he said that we urge the Prime Minister through this signature campaign that the POJK be taken back, because the people in Jammu and Kashmir, that is with the India, they have seen what the development is, but the POJK has always been ignored by the people of by the government, successive governments of the Pakistan, and it is the time has come that the POJK be brought back to India, so that the people of Jammu and Kashmir who were forced to leave the POJK at the time of partition, they can see the POJK, as well as the people of POJK can get a new life. They say that it is only possible once the Prime Minister Narendra Modi gets back the Pakistan occupied Jammu and Kashmir, because this has been a resolution, an anonymous resolution of the Parliament of India, that the POJK is an integral part of the India, and time and again we have seen the statements coming from the Union government as well, that the POJK is an integral part of the India and it will come back to India.